Hey, everybody, it is Jerry Kolich here from National Mortgage Center, powered by Stride Bank. And I'm going to bring my partner in crime, Jeff Newton, into the screen. And we're going to talk a little bit today about the DSCR loan. Jeff, what's going on, my friend?
Jerry, how are you this morning? I'm doing good, buddy.
I'm
I'm ready
doing
to I'm
good.
ready to talk about these DSCR loans because they are amazing.
Yeah, they are. I appreciate you joining me. We had a call the other day and with one of our investors. And so Jeff and I started talking. We're like, man, I don't think enough people understand the power of the DSCR loan. And first off, let's talk about what does DSCR stand for? Debt service coverage ratio. And basically what it is, it's another way, Jeff, to think about how can I purchase a property without having to use my income and debts and all that kind of stuff for qualifying purposes. Basically outside the box type of loan, which a lot of our investors like.
Yeah, and I mean, we see people that need this is Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. They have a lot of different guidelines, especially for investors. This allows you to kind of avoid some of those guidelines through a great program designed for investors.
Correct. And one of the main things too that we get asked from our investors is, can I close in my business name or in my LLC? Absolutely. I mean, it is designed for investors. But I think the main thing that we wanted to cover here today is, how does someone essentially qualify for a DSCR loan? Yes, there's down payment requirements. They're going to require a little bit more of a down payment, typically 20%. But in general, you're not using income, right, to calculate any sort of debt to income ratios for qualification purposes. Essentially, what you're doing is really looking at your ratio when it comes to, what is my monthly payment going to be on this property? What am I going to bring in rents? And that will establish your ratio and your eligibility to qualify for this. And we have a lot of investors too that are utilizing this for not just purchasing new properties and building up their inventory, but using the cash out part of the debt service coverage ratio loan, DSCR loan, to expand their portfolio and buy more properties.
Yeah, hey, listen, we dropped the cash out part. That's amazing because it's crazy. So 855-699-1424, National Mortgage Center. I'm telling you right now, this cash out thing, it's already cool enough on this DSCR stuff if you are a person that's wanting to get into the investing, but
right,
maybe you don't have the income to do it.
You can be a first time.
Yep. But then if you add on top of, now we can tap some of that equity. I mean, imagine those people that bought houses and investment properties in 2019, 2020, 2021, the equity's just gone up. I mean, you can tap that equity for more properties there's just a million different things.
Well, yeah. Or if you have to improve a property, right? I mean, so cash flow is king in the investment world, right? And correct. So this loan was really built for the investor in mind. So for any of you out there that are thinking about getting into investing, or you investors that are out there that are thinking about maybe expanding your portfolio, give us a call. Jeff, maybe bring that number back up. Give us a call at National Mortgage Center. We have an incredible partner with this that allows us to even sometimes look outside of the box. So if you've reached out before and you don't think you can qualify, call us, because we do get exceptions from time to time on certain things that fit outside the box. And so don't hesitate to call if maybe you've looked into this before and were turned down, because these loans are amazing for investors to want to either get into for the first time or expand their portfolio, cash out, do improvements on things, stuff like that. So Jeff, I appreciate you joining me. We may have to do a few more of these, but give us a call, 855-699-1424. You can always join us at nationalmortgagecenter.com, and one of our amazing mortgage advisors will get on the phone with you and walk you through this product.
And if you're like me, folks, go to nationalapplynow.com. Just fill out that application, get it in. Your specialist will call you back, go through all your options, and we'll make it nice and easy for you. 855-699-1424. Thanks for having me, Jerry. I appreciate it.
You bet. We'll do it again soon. Thanks, everybody.